15-1 to, ngayong araw ng Webes Pizza 3, 15 to 32 na East, Southeast, 4 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pizza 4, 15 to 32 na Northeast, 4 feet. Pizza 5, Sabado, 21 to 14 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 6, Sabado, 15 to 37 na Northeast, 5 feet. Pizza 7, Lunes, 15 to 33 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 8, Martes, 10 to 21 na Northeast, 4 feet. Pizza 9, Miyerkules, 10 to 20 na Northwest, 4 feet. Pizza 10, Huwebes, 15 to 36 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 11, Biyernes, 24 to 42 na Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. At Pizza 12, Sabado, 23 to 40 na Northeast, 5 feet na lang din dyan sa 15-1 to kopya may kong road trip size. Sige, kopya ko. Ingat, magandang. To survive, 16-1 to 3. 16. Kasi unahin natin na 17. Sige, 17 na lang, 17. 17-1 to 3. Ngayong araw ng Webes Pizza 3, 15 to 38 na Southeast, 6 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pizza 4, 15 to 32 na Southeast sa umaga, mag-Northeast sa hapon hanggang gabi na 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 5, Sabado, 15 to 35 na Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 6, Linggo, 15 to 32 na East-Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 7, Lunes, 10 to 24 na Northeast sa umaga, mag-Northwest sa hapon hanggang gabi na 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 8, Martes, 10 to 28 na Northwest, 4 feet. Pizza 9, Miyerkules, 15 to 32 na Northwest, 5 feet. Pizza 10, Huwebes, 20 to 40 na Northeast, 6 feet. Pizza 11, Biyernes, 21 to 45 na Northeast, 6 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi pa yun. At Pizza 12, Sabado, 15 to 31 na Northeast, 5 feet na lang din. Complete sa 17-1 to 3. Walang ligaw. Sige, ito. 16-1 to 3. 16-1 to 3. 15 to 35 na Southeast, 5 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pizza 4, 15 to 31 na East-Northeast, 5 feet. Pizza 5, Sabado, 15 to 37 na Northeast, 5 feet. Pizza 6, Linggo, 15 to 32 na Northeast, 5 feet. Pizza 7, Lunes, 10 to 24 na Northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 8, Martes, 10 to 27 na Northwest, 4 feet. Pizza 9, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na Northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pizza 10, Huwebes, 20 to 40 na North-Northeast, 5 to 6 feet. Pizza 11, Biyernes, 20 to 43 na Northeast, 6 feet. At Pizza 12, Sabado, 15 to 35 na Northeast, 5 feet na lang din may kung survive ko yan. Kopya. Sige ito. Ito, 15-125 yung araw ng Huwebes, Pizza 3. 15 to 32 na east-southeast 4 to 5 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pitsa 4, 20 to 46 na east-northeast 5 to 6 feet. Pitsa 5, Sabado, 15 to 35 na east-northeast 5 feet. Pitsa sa east, Linggo, 15 to 33 na east-northeast 5 feet. Pitsa 7, Lunes, 10 to 22 na northeast 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 8, Martes, 10 to 26 na northeast umaga, mag northwest sa hapon hanggang tanghali, hapon hanggang gabi na 4 feet. Pitsa 9, Miyerkules, 15 to 31 na northwest 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 10, Huwebes, 15 to 31 na northwest 5 feet. Pitsa 11, Biyernes, 15 to 36 na northeast, amihan ulit, na 5 to 6 feet. At Pitsa 12, Sabado, 17 to 37 na northeast, 5 to 6 feet pa rin yung B3. Kopya. Roger, magaling yung B3. Ingat yan. Ito na, amigong Rainy Boy. Nakukopya lang. Sige. Ito, Rainy Boy. 13-1-2-6. Ngayon ang ng Huwebes, Pitsa 3. 15 to 32. Na este. 4 to 5 feet. Bukas, Biyernes, Pitsa 4. 20 to 40 na east-northeast 5 to 6 feet. Pitsa 5, Sabado, 10 to 26 na northeast 5 feet. Pitsa 6, Linggo, 10 to 24 na northeast 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 7, Lunes, 5 to 15 na northwest 4 feet. Pitsa 8, Martes, 15 to 34 na northwest 4 feet. Pitsa 9, Miyerkules, 15 to 30 na northwest 4 feet. Pitsa 10, Huwebes, 15 to 32 na northwest pa rin 5 feet. Pitsa 11, Biyernes, 10 to 21 na northwest sa umaga, mag-northeast sa hapon hanggang gabi na 5 feet. At Pitsa 12, Sabado, 10 to 24 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet na lang din bigong Rainy Boy dyan sa top 10, 1 to 6. Kopya. Wala naman bigo, ingat. Marinagay ka.